Have you ever wondered which foods are so iconic that people travel thousands of miles just to taste them? Today, we're taking you on a delicious journey across 6 countries to discover some of the world's most famous dishes. From Italy's legendary pizza Margherita to France's buttery croissant, each bite tells a story of history, culture, and unforgettable flavor. Let's get started. Our first stop is Italy, the birthplace of the legendary pizza Margherita. Created in Naples in 1889, this pizza was named after Queen Margherita of Italy. Its simple ingredients, fresh tomatoes, creamy mozzarella cheese, fragrant basil, and extra virgin olive oil, represent the colors of the Italian flag. Baked in a blazing hot wood-fired oven, the crust becomes perfectly crispy on the outside while remaining soft and chewy inside. It's proof that simplicity can create perfection. Next, we're heading to Mexico to enjoy one of the country's most famous street foods, tacos al pastor. Thin slices of pork are marinated with chilies, spices, garlic, and pineapple before slowly roasting on a vertical spit. The meat is shaved directly onto warm corn tortillas and topped with fresh onions, cilantro, salsa, and juicy pineapple. Every bite is smoky, spicy, sweet, and incredibly satisfying, making it one of the most loved tacos in the world. Our journey continues to India, home of the rich and flavorful butter chicken. Created in Delhi during the 1950s, this dish features tender chicken simmered in a creamy tomato-based sauce made with butter, garlic, ginger, and aromatic spices. Served with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread, butter chicken delivers the perfect balance of creamy texture, mild spice, and deep flavor that has won the hearts of millions around the globe. Now let's travel to Spain to discover the colorful beauty of paella. Originating in Valencia, this famous rice dish is traditionally cooked with saffron, vegetables, chicken, rabbit, or fresh seafood. The saffron gives the rice its beautiful golden color and distinctive aroma, while slow cooking creates a delicious crispy layer at the bottom of the pan known as socarrat. Paella is more than a meal. It's a celebration of Spanish tradition and family gatherings. Our 5th destination is Vietnam, where we'll enjoy the country's national dish, pho. This comforting noodle soup begins with a rich broth simmered for hours, using beef bones, onions, ginger, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Rice noodles, tender slices of beef, and fresh herbs are added just before serving, creating a light yet deeply flavorful bowl that's enjoyed throughout the day. Every spoonful reflects the warmth and hospitality of Vietnamese cuisine. Finally, we arrive in France to taste the world-famous croissant. Crafted from carefully layered butter and dough, the croissant is folded and rolled multiple times before baking to create hundreds of delicate, flaky layers. The result is a crisp golden exterior with a soft, buttery center that melts in your mouth. Whether enjoyed with coffee, jam, or chocolate, the croissant remains one of the finest pastries ever created. From Italy's pizza Margherita to Mexico's tacos al pastor, India's butter chicken, Spain's paella, Vietnam's pho, and France's croissant, these incredible dishes have become global icons, each representing the rich traditions and unique flavors of their homeland. So, which one would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing food journeys from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.